So tied into the pathway you mentioned in your book about body budgeting and how important that is in understanding why we and our children in particular unravel. Can you briefly explain what that is?
Yeah, that term I got from a very exciting neuroscientist, Dr. Lisa Feldman Barrett, who is studying something called the body budget, but it's a fun word for a scientific phrase called allostasis, which basically means how we maintain stability in our physical bodies. And so she says, just as this is a bank budgets money, our bodies, our brains are always budgeting what our body needs, like oxygen, glucose, salt, water, energy, all those things that we need to stay upright, to stay stable, is getting budgeted by our brain 24/7. And she talks about withdrawals and deposits and body budgets. And I think it's a brilliant idea for how we can think about our children. Because number one, if a human has a low body budget, in other words, if they don't have much money in the bank, let's just say that toddler that I was talking about who needed physical food, needed more blood sugar, higher blood sugar levels, needed probably to slow down and to have some connection with the parent. If you try to add more onto that child, it's not going to end well. But if you recognize when a child or yourself has a low body budget, you make deposits into that. And so, and again, in a child, sometimes what they need is a deposit. If they're really upset, whiny, struggling, when we're just like at the wit's end, thinking, oh, I just need to not reward this bad behavior, but instead think, this body budget needs a deposit, a hug. This body budget needs, hey, baby, come and sit on my lap for a minute.
Yeah.
Those are deposits, hugs, a nice meal, a pat on the back, reading a book together. Those are huge deposits into our children's body budgets.
Yeah.